Alright, so to get this out, just the climate control unit, you take these, basically pry these out here. There are these guys. You just stick a screwdriver at the bottom and just push, and it should just pop right out. Like kind of where this little area is right there. Just try to get them into those little grooves and pull forward slowly. It should pop right out. Then there's a bolt there and a bolt there on this side. And it should actually just kind of slide out there. It should just be loose. So it's going to work it out now. Try to slide this out without messing anything up. It should come right out. Alright, so to remove the whole AC electronic thing, there's a pin right here. It's hanging down. You can see that pin. It's kind of hard to see. Phone won't really focus, but it's right there. So the wire's wrapped around that, and it's right here in this little thing that holds it. If you pop this loose, then you can just slide it off the end of that. It just slides right off, just wiggle it. And then this wire will come loose and you can just pull it right out, and you can pull the whole dash unit out with it. Alright, so I completely disassembled one of the AC units because this bar right here goes into there that basically hooks inside of here, right there, is basically this bar. And this one's in pretty good shape, so we're going to use that one, but I had to completely disassemble the whole thing to get to it. And what I'm going to try to do is take this one apart and put the bar in there, because this one, the bar is broken, just like this one, the bar is broken on this one. But I kind of like the dark more than I like the gray. So, alright, so I completely disassembled this one. This is the new arm here. Basically, if you just lift this up, so take this off, lift this up, and this arm will like just slide in, and then put this little cap back on here, and you're good to go. It should slide back and forth now very easily. It works. So now we just have to reassemble. We're going to end up using this front here, just because I like this one. So we're going to use that one. We're going to put this back together, put all the bolts back in, and then get ready to bolt it back into the dash. Alright. Alright, so she is back together. Ended up just using the black face, because these can just basically slide in and out, so we're not going to use that one. We actually use the black face, so I think it'll look better in here. But yeah, it works fine. You can see this click, this moves, and this moves, that bar moves, which is what you want. Alright, so that's done. Now we can just get it ready to bolt back in. So we're going to put it back into this, and I'm going to take these two and I'm going to build one out of this as a spare, and then we'll be good to go. Alright, so we got all that back together. Thing on the pins, and the little wires in the little connector that holds it, and we're done. The unit is back together, and we have all the little contraptions we need. This should work. This now works, and we should be able to do whatever we need to do. If we need to defrost, it'll work. Alright, well that was a pain in the butt, but we got it done. So I'm out. You guys take it easy. Peace.